Hi everyone, and welcome to my video review of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. We will tell you the pros and cons later in this video. The Pixel 8 Pro is the latest flagship smartphone from Google, and it's a significant upgrade over its predecessor, the Pixel 7 Pro. It has a new design, a more powerful processor, and a better camera system. The Pixel 8 Pro has a sleek and modern design. It's made from high-quality materials with a glass front and back and a metal frame. The phone is available in 3 colors: snow, hazel, and obsidian. The Pixel 8 Pro is slightly larger than the Pixel 7 Pro, but it's still comfortable to hold and use. The phone is also water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about damaging it in the rain or snow. The Pixel 8 Pro has a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is bright, colorful, and sharp, and it's perfect for watching videos or playing games. The phone also has a tiny hole punch cutout in the top center of the display for the front-facing camera. The Pixel 8 Pro is powered by the Google Tensor chip, which is one of the most powerful mobile processors on the market. The phone is fast and responsive, and it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The Pixel 8 Pro has a triple camera system on the back, consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and 48MP telephoto sensor with 4x optical zoom. The camera system is capable of taking stunning photos in most lighting conditions. The phone also has a 12MP front-facing camera for taking selfies. The Pixel 8 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery, which is enough to power the phone for a full day of use. The phone also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top it up when you need to. The Pixel 8 Pro runs Android 13, which is the latest version of Google's mobile operating system. The phone is also eligible for 3 years of software updates and 5 years of security updates. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful and versatile smartphone. It has a sleek design, a powerful processor, a great camera system, and a long-lasting battery. If you're looking for the best Android phone on the market, then the Pixel 8 Pro is a great option. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Pros: sleek and modern design, powerful Google Tensor chip, excellent camera system, long-lasting battery, regular software updates. Cons: expensive, no expandable storage, no headphone jack. Overall, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful and versatile smartphone with a great camera system. However, it is expensive and does not have expandable storage or a headphone jack. Thanks for watching my video review of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, take care.